Welcome to today's video. I'm recording this on World Menopause Day. So if you are in the menopause, please say hello and put a comment below. I would love for you to subscribe. And if this is useful, then please share it with your friends. Today, we are talking about inflammation. Now, inflammation, whether acute or chronic, can show up in various ways in the body. And particularly, ladies, if you're over the age of 40, then it can become a real problem. You can end up with joint pain, belly weight, accidental weight gain, irritability, tiredness, feeling wired and frazzled and irritable, and persistent joint pain, whether it's in the hands, the elbows, the knees, the hips, the feet, and we don't want that. I want for you to navigate a really positive experience in the menopause and the perimenopause. So those years over the age of 40, I want you to feel confident and pain-free and light and bright and be able to move your body well. All right, so let's talk about some of the foods and drinks that cause inflammation, and I'll give you some of my best ideas for fighting inflammation, so make sure you stay till the end. Okay, from personal experience, I can honestly say some of the foods that cause the most inflammation in the body and some of the drinks that we choose on a daily basis can cause significant problems in the body in terms of inflammation. The number one that I would encourage you to avoid or to reduce if possible, and please reach out to me if you need help with this, because I have done many years of study, research, and self-experimenting to know that what I teach works. So the number one thing that I would really encourage you to avoid or to reduce is alcohol. Alcohol is very inflammatory to the body. It causes havoc with the hormones and it damages the gut lining. So therefore, it puts you in a state of being more prone to inflammation. I really encourage you to avoid too much refined sugar and wheat and dairy. So if you are having lots of processed foods every day and you're having lots of wheat and lots of dairy, if you are, having toast for breakfast and a sandwich, cheese and deli meat sandwich for lunch, and then pasta for dinner, and you are struggling with joint pain, you will feel so different if you take wheat out of your diet. Again, that's a tricky thing to do, so please reach out to me if you'd like some help with that, because I have an 8-week program designed to do just that. All right, some of the foods that you can add in, which can be really good for fighting inflammation and help you improve that joint pain, can be oats particularly good, gluten-free organic oats. So having a beautiful organic gluten-free porridge or oatmeal in the morning can be good. Blueberries are amazing. They're very high in antioxidants, and having antioxidants in the body helps with fighting free radical damage and helps prevent that DNA damage. Dark chocolate, as long as you don't eat too much, can be very, very good. So just sticking with a couple of little squares of dark chocolate a day, again, very high in antioxidants that can help fight inflammation. Ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. Now, that is an Ayurvedic, traditional Ayurvedic combination to help fight inflammation. You can slice a thin slither of fresh ginger and chew that before your meals. It helps with digestive enzymes, and it certainly helps with inflammation. Or you could make a beautiful turmeric latte with some oat milk, turmeric, black pepper, and ginger in that, and sip that in the evening, and that can help you with sleep. So if you are struggling, if you are over the age of 40 and you are struggling with joint pain, insomnia, reflux, feeling tired all the time, and you become accidentally overweight, then please reach out to me, because I have 2 programs that may be suitable. One is an 8-week program, and one is a 1-year-long program, and that is perfect for anyone navigating their way through the perimenopause to the menopause. So if you want to make those significant lasting changes and you want to navigate this positive time of your life with confidence and pain-free, then please reach out. Now, if your budget cannot quite stretch to an 8-week or a 1-year-long program, then you can easily access the supplements that I talk about and I share and I recommend in my program. And one of the best ones is the Superfood Plus. This is an organic powder, so it's very easy to take. It includes all your really good bacteria, so that's helpful for the gut. It also includes digestive enzymes, which you hear me talking about all the time. Ladies, do you know that we make less digestive enzymes as we age? And it has a range of a big range of organic and sprouted ingredients. So lots of organic fruits and inulin, which is very, very good for the gut and the antioxidants. But it's also then got sprouted alfalfa sprouts and broccoli and kale and pea and quinoa. So that's all really good. But it's got a huge range of beautiful fruits as well. And it is very, very, very good for balancing the hormones and improving the gut health. So that's called Superfood Plus, and that's available in my clinic, and I have stock of it right now. So if you'd like to order that, you can get in touch. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll know when I'm doing a next video. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.